What'd you guys get?
What else?
Candy necklace!
Candy necklace. What are those, Morgie?
They're necklaces!
What are they?
Those are mine.
Okay, come on, don't
Sure.
fight. You all have the same things in there, okay?
Peeps!
Wow, that's a lot of
Very
peeps.
fair.
Mommy opens it.
Keep going, Morgie. We open it. See what else you got in there. What's that? New sand toys for the sandbox.
No. I know. Peanut butter cup. We both got M&M's.
Yay! Peanut butter cups, Morgie?
Yeah, peanut butter cup. Really nummy.
Really, really nummy.
Peeps!
Peeps, Morgie?
Peeps.
What color are they?
Open it.
Morgie, what color are the peeps? Very good, Morgie. What else do you guys have? A princess crown. A flower crown.
Mommy, what did I got?
What did you get, Morgie?
Fruit snacks.
A huge thing of fruit snacks.
Papa. Mommy,
Keep going. What
look
else?
what else I got.
Bubbles.
Look what else I got.
Pretty chalk.
Wow.
What you got?
The Easter Bunny was good to you guys.
Easter Bunny left me a note and told me that you guys have to share that.
Dad.
Show Aubrey what that is, Morgan.
Rapunzel.
It's Tangled, right? It's Rapunzel. You got a new movie?
Rapunzel.
Right.
Mom, and mine's me.
You got candy necklaces too, Morgie.
Hey,
Mom, now.
look at the camera and say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, camera.
Morgan, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, camera.